Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to the show. We're at Knowledge Fest Las Vegas 2023. Our sponsor of the show, Morel, this time. It's so awesome. Thank you for doing that, by the way.
Absolutely, our pleasure.
And we have Casey. You guys know who this guy is. And he brought his personal car here. What kind of car is it?
It's a 2020 Volkswagen Arteon.
He brought that here. It's filled with Morel stuff. We're going to find out all about it. See you after the intro.
Dean, I'm a lucky guy because I get to work for Morel and we make some pretty exceptional products. This is my own personal vehicle and I was able to do pretty much what I wanted to do in this vehicle. So this time we're highlighting some of the high-end products, such as our limited edition amplifiers. So we have 3 of our 2-channel amplifiers and then 1 of our monoblocks. Total wattage is about 2,200 watts. And then we have our 2 Ultimo titanium 12-inch subwoofers in a vented enclosure. But to make this all possible, I took it to Audio Systems in Montclair, California, and they did an exceptional job with the install. Just the detail and everything in this is absolutely spectacular, as I'm sure you can see. The 2 Ultimo titanium subwoofers sit in a 2.7 cubic foot vented enclosure. The vent is actually beneath this nice little detailed Morel Lotus grill, kind of our signature grill. You can also see the Lotus grill in the side panels as well. They also took a lot of cues from the car styling itself. If you look at this little detail here, this replicates the grill on the front of the vehicle. Overall, I think they did a pretty amazing job. You know, even the little details here, which look like the stitching in the seats themselves.
How does it sound?
I'll let you judge that, but I've heard it sounds good. I'll tell you a little bit about how the system was integrated. In this vehicle, we just used the factory Volkswagen head unit, which has really flat response right out of the box. This car did not have an amplified system from the factory, really easy to integrate into. From there, front, we decided to do our Lake Carbon Pro 63A set. This has become a very popular set. For a lot of the retailers that don't do this high level product, we wanted to show them what it is capable of doing. Hopefully teach their customers more about the high-end experience. And in this we have custom A-pillars holding the 3.5-inch mid-range. And then the sail panels were done with the Alto tweeter. Down in the bottom of the door in the factory location, we have a 6.5-inch Lake Carbon MW6.
Did you put any rear in here?
No rear as of yet. I'm more of a front stage guy. You know, I like the competition scene. I like that experience of having all the music in front of me. And this 2-channel setup really does drive that home.
I know the question you guys are all asking, how does this thing sound? We've been here all weekend. We're up early. It seems to be the only time we've had this weekend to be able to actually sit in this car. You've been sitting in it all weekend.
All weekend.
Yeah, so this is like I'm torturing you again. I was torturing him all weekend, I should say. It's like, hey Casey, demo. Hey Casey, demo. But now it's my turn to finally get the, hey Casey, can we do a demo?
Can I step out of the car while you demo?
No.
Oh.
Let's take a listen, guys, and see what this thing sounds like. Well, as always, it doesn't let me down. You know, I know, I'm a fanboy. What can I say? But no, these things sound amazing. We've been standing out here all weekend. People getting out of the car. You haven't get to, you don't get to
I haven't
hear
done
the
much
reaction.
standing, but
Yeah, no, we have. But you don't always, you know, I'm sure they go, oh yeah, it sounds great, thanks. And they get out and, you know, a lot of these guys have been walking over to us and go, dude, this is the best sounding car here. And I go, oh, that's so cute. But no, if you guys get the opportunity, Casey has been taking this to dealers. You've been doing a couple shows. You went and did audio system show this year, which was kind of cool. Yeah. So if you get a chance, definitely try to hear this thing. If you've ever wanted to know what Morel sound like, this is probably the benchmark example I've heard so far for this. So good job, as always.
Oh, thank you.
A lot of sleepless nights. I know, sitting in the garage doing the tune.
Always.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. You know, as it goes, thank you so much for watching. Casey, thank you for getting up early and letting us hear this. It's been a long weekend, so pretty cool. That's it. See you later next time.
Sounds good.
All right, guys.
Take care, guys.
Bye.